Here is my 94 Sunline Runabout camper, truck camper. Has a little bit of rotten wood over here on the driver's side underneath that window, but nothing I couldn't fix. Fits on this truck really well. The best part about it is I got it for $800, which was a hell of a deal if you ask me. The water heater doesn't work. It has a hole in it, but I can fix that. I'm going to put an instant hot water heater in there. But other than that, everything's good with it. Needs a few lights replaced, but that's it.